Good morning, children. Today we'll be learning about some famous airports of the world in a new chapter that entitles Airports of the World, which is given on page number 30. Can you name these airports? You have to name the following airports on the basis of the clues given for you. So the first one for you is International Airport at Kolkata shares its name with an Indian freedom fighter famous for his motivational slogan Dilli Chalo. So the famous slogan Dilli Chalo was given by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and this airport at Kolkata has been named after him. He was a famous freedom fighter of the country. You all know about him. So the name of the airport is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, International Airport. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Okay, the second one for you is this international airport in New Orleans, Louisiana, is named after a famous jazz singer. So there is an airport at New Orleans, Louisiana, and it has been named after a famous jazz singer, and the jazz singer was Louis Armstrong. It was not Neil Armstrong, don't get confused. It was Louis Armstrong. He was a famous jazz singer of US, and the current airport at New Orleans has been named after him. So the name of the airport is Louis Armstrong International Airport. Okay, let's read out the third one. This international airport in Austria is named after a renowned Western classical music composer. So the next airport in line for you is in Austria, and it has been named after a famous Western classical music composer. So you have to name this airport, and the name of this airport is W.A. Mozart. Here you can see the spelling over here at the third number. W.A. Mozart Airport. ठीक है, इस एयरपोर्ट का नाम है W.A. Mozart Airport. Okay, then the fourth one, named after a former president of France, this is the main airport of Paris. So the next airport for you is a very famous airport of Paris, and this airport of Paris has been named after a president of France, not the current one. He was the president of France long back. So this famous airport of Paris has been named after a president. Okay, so what is the name of that airport? It is Charles de Gaulle Airport. You can see the spelling over here, Charles de Gaulle Airport. Fine. Then the next one, the international airport in Serbia is named after the pioneer of AC electrical supply system. So this airport is situated in Serbia and is named after the pioneer of AC इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई सिस्टम. सर्बिया का एक एसी इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई सिस्टम है, और यहाँ का जो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है वो इसी सिस्टम के नाम पर रखा गया है. व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट? इट इज़ निकोला टेस्ला एयरपोर्ट. ओके, इट इज़ निकोला टेस्ला एयरपोर्ट. हियर इज़ द स्पेलिंग, निकोला टेस्ला एयरपोर्ट. ओके, in the next part of this page you have to name these logos. There are some few logos of some famous airlines has been given for you. You need to identify these logos and write the name. Okay, so the first one is very familiar. You must have seen this logo over the airplanes in India. It is the logo of Indian Airlines, okay, or Air India you can say. So this logo is of Air India. Okay, the next one is the logo of Air Madagascar. Okay, the next logo for you is Air Madagascar. Then the third logo is of an New Zealand Airlines, and the name of this logo is Air New Zealand. Okay, then the next fourth one is of Emirates, Arab Emirates. The logo is of Arab Emirates. Then the fifth logo is for Sri Lankan Airlines. Okay. In the next part of this question, you have to match the airports with the countries they belong to. Okay, so here on one side the names of airports are given, and at the right side the name of countries are given. You have to match the particular airport with the countries they belong to. Okay, so the first one for you is Frankfurt Airport. So the Frankfurt Airport is in Germany. Okay, so this airport belongs to the country Germany. Okay, the next one is Soekarno Hatta International Airport. Soekarno Hatta International Airport. So this airport belongs to the country Indonesia. That is your E part. Okay, so you can match this airport with Indonesia. Then the next airport is Suvarnabhumi Airport. The next airport for you is Suvarnabhumi Airport, and this airport is situated in Thailand. Okay, then fourth one, Narita International Airport. Narita International Airport is in Japan. Okay, so this airport belongs to the country Japan. Okay, the fifth one is Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So one country is left over here, that is Philippines. So this airport is in the country Philippines. Okay children, that's all from this chapter. Thank you all.